In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Add to Calendar link in an Outlook email. This makes it easy for your recipients to save your event directly to their calendar with a single click. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Sign in using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Next, click on the calendar icon. When your calendar opens, find the event you want to share. Open that event and look for the Join button. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click on the arrow and choose the option to Copy Link. This link is what people will use to add the event to their own calendars. Now, go back to the main Outlook dashboard and click New Mail to create a new email. In the body of the email, simply paste the link you copied. When your recipient receives the email, they can click that link and instantly add the event to their calendar without manually entering anything. That's all it takes. You've successfully created and inserted an Add to Calendar link in Outlook. This is perfect for meetings, appointments, or any event you want your recipients to remember. If you want, I can also create scripts for adding ICS files, sending calendar invites, or creating recurring events. Thanks for watching.